Introducing buying fidget not online. If you like this video, at the end of it, remember to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amelia. So today we're gonna go fidget shopping with my mum again.
Yay! And she's gonna buy me a fidget.
No, I'm not. So today we're gonna go to the Works, Claire's, the Entertainer, and the Toy Planet. So we're going to all of those shops. Well, maybe. So see you later. I need to turn my phone up so I have no montage. Bye bye. Right, so we're here. My phone is charged a bit, and we're on letter C. Amelia, if you don't remember it, remember it's letter C. K. Letter K or C, whatever it is. So, yeah, let's do this. Woo! Right, so we're in here. Which way are we going? We're going on the left.
Yeah.
No,
that's two.
Okay, I'll see you guys when we're all. Right, so we made it up. So now we're just going to have a little look around. See you guys later. I didn't plan this, but we're at Claire's first, so let's do it. Time for a random montage. Strawberries for me. So yeah, see you when we get back, or we go to McDonald's. So yeah. In the lift. We're going in the lift. I'll record it this time. I want you to stay and actually wait. I thought she'll go right to sleep, which is turns out she's awake. Oh, I don't like it on here. There's nobody else in here except for me. Beep, 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 beep. Do you remember what letter we are?
No.
Let me check. Remember, it's letter C. Yeah, it's letter C. It's letter C, I remember now. Oh, we're there. Right, come on, let's go. So we're in the car. We're going to McDonald's. So I'm going to do a review or an unboxing for when we get there. Right, so it's the next day, it's Sunday. So I'm going to show you all my fidgets. So first we've got this Dimple, Among Us character. Yes, I have heard of Among Us before. I have played it before. So we've got this. It's a Dimple. It's not a puppet, it's a dimple. A dimple. Right, so next we have this octopus puppet. I can pop it. Okay, but I can't pop it. So we've got this octopus puppet. Yeah, it's really good. It's a rainbow one, really nice. Then we've got this one as well. This tie-dye one, really cute. We've also got this rocket rainbow one. It's also really nice. And then we've got this pink one. This pink one, which is wet because I gave them a bath yesterday. Ha ha ha! And then we've got my snapper. We've got my snapper and my beepbot. Beep 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 beep. And then we've got this one, yay! It lights up, see? And it's textured, which is also really nice. And then we've got this banana, which is also quite nice. It's really stretchy. Oh, so stretchy. Really, really stretchy. Whoa! I don't want it to burst. And I really like it. Yeah, and I think I've shown my pea pod. Look. Then we've got this one. It also spins. Whoa! Then we've got these globbles. I didn't buy these from the shop. I got them offline. From the shops. They came the other day. Yesterday. And they stick to the wall and stuff. Right, so I hope you guys like this video and to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Goodbye!